many fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. So take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be.
Welcome, friends and family. We've gathered here today to celebrate the love between Humberto and Erika. Today you enter as individuals, but you will leave here as husband and wife.
I've always loved you, and I will always forever love you. I don't know what it was, what I did to deserve you, but I love you, and I will always love you and support you.
I will be there to support you through everything and anything, the happiest of times and the worst. It's you and me, we're a team. Love you.
Love you too.
It is my great honor to stand beside both of you today, joined by the people that we love and support you the most, as you take this next step in your marriage. By the virtue of authority vested in me as Commissioner of Civil Marriages, I now pronounce that you are married. Humberto, you may kiss your bride. Family and friends, I present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Rivera.